Beretta at Karachi, in partnership with Middle East Overseas Limited MEOL, is now open at Ocean Mall. Beretta is world #1 leading brand in firearms. Beretta's shotguns and handguns are world renowned as precision weapons. Beretta Gallery comprises of not only firearms but also accessories, clothing and apparel, including hunting gear, competition gear and practical gear. Besides that, Beretta also offers a wide variety of accessories. Beretta has 9 flagship stores in the world, among which Beretta Karachi is the 9th one, and it is the only complete flagship store in Asia. This flagship store is operational thanks to the collaboration of MEOL with Beretta in Pakistan. Beretta store will sell most modern under warranty firearms, hunting and apparel gears for hunter and firearm lovers. On the occasion, Chairman Siddiq Sons Group, Tariq Rafi, welcomed His Excellency Ambassador of Italy to Pakistan, Andreas Ferrarese, and the Consul General of Italy in Karachi, Danilo Giordanella, along with his team members. Ambassador Andreas Ferrarese, talking to media, thanked the participants and said that the store was a symbol of Italian excellence and was going to further strengthen Italy-Pakistan bilateral trade and commercial relations.